back to my channel. So today it's gonna be how to create an ombre lips. I'm gonna be showing you, and I'm gonna be showing you 5 different ombre lips in this tutorial. Try to make it as short as possible so you can enjoy the video within a short period of time. And um yeah, that's it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click on that subscribe button right there and just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment about this list, which was your favorite. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. This video is not going to be a talk through video, so I'll be listing the things I'm using on the screen.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I started count my blessings till eternity, it would not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I started count my blessings till eternity, it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you, Jesus. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, yeah, yeah, say Baba, yeah. That's why I say, say Baba, oh, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, hey, Jehovah, you good. I've searched through all the earth, but I've found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. I've searched through all the earth, but I found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Oh, say I've come to say, Papa, I've come to say thank you Oluwese Baba, Jehovah you good. Jehovah you good, Jehovah you kind, Jehovah you good, you too good, oh. That's why we call you Jehovah Shammah. Hey, hey, hey. Jehovah Rapha, Rapha. Jehovah Jireh, my provider. Jehovah, my creator. Jehovah Shalom, my God, my peace. Jehovah Yahweh, all powerful God. My God, my banner. Jehovah Speaker, my God, my righteousness. Jehovah Rohi, Rohi, Jehovah Adon, the Lord over all. Jehovah El Elyon. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Papa, I've come to say thank you. Oh, for all you've done for me. That's why I say, Oluwese Baba, Eshe Baba, Oluwese Baba.
Somebody there.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you, Jesus. Papa,